Hello everyone, welcome back to Brahmaj. Today our topic of interest is jet engines. A jet engine is a machine that converts energy-rich liquid fuel into a powerful pushing force called thrust. A turbofan is used in the majority of jet-powered airplanes. The turbofan is a high-tech propeller that housed inside a duct called a diffuser and powered by a gas generator. The thrust from one or more engines pushes the plane forward, forcing air past its aerodynamically shaped wings to create an upward force called lift that powers it into the sky. That, in short, is how planes work. But how do a jet engine work? Let's find out. To understand that, we need to learn about the main components of the engine. The core. A jet engine's heart is a gas generator which produces high-pressured gas to power a turbine. This configuration includes compressor, combustor, and a turbine section. The compressor. In comparison to engine size, compressed air produces a much more powerful combustion reaction. Compression occurs in stages, forcing incoming air into a narrower and narrower chamber. A single compressor stage is made up of a rotating rotor and a ring of stationary stator vanes attached to the core casing. There are 4 low pressure stages and 10 high pressure stages in this compressor. Next is the combustor. Air is mixed with fuel and ignited as it passes through the combustor, resulting in a high-powered jet of gas. The structure you are seeing right now is a ring-shaped angular combustor. The inlet nozzles are filled with compressed air. Each nozzle is linked to a fuel injector and is designed to mix the incoming fuel and air evenly. This mixture is ignited by a pair of igniter plugs and the reaction spread evenly around the rings. Once started, combustion will continue indefinitely as long as air and fuel are supplied. The rear turbine. Exhaust gases exceeding the combustor drives turbine at the back of the jet. A large portion of the turbine power is used to turn the fan, while a small portion powers the compressor stages. Turbine fins becomes extremely hot. Some compressor air is diverted for cooling and special coatings are used to keep the temperatures low. The exhaust cone is specifically designed to mix and accelerate exhaust stream. The fan. Initially, jet engines were turbojets. Let me show you what is a turbojet. See, all incoming air passes through the core. Now, the majority of modern wing aircraft engines are turbofans, in which only a small amount of air enters the core, and the resulting power turns a specially designed fan. Again, think of the fan as a high-tech propeller inside a duct. Bypass air is the air that does not enter the core. And finally, the afterburner. High-performance engines like military jet engines may be equipped with afterburners. It is a secondary stage of combustion is produced by spraying additional fuel into a jet pipe section, where it mixed with exhaust gases and is ignited. Afterburners are inefficient in terms of fuel. It is typically used in short bursts during takeoff, climb, or combat maneuvers. The exhaust nozzle is adjustable for maximum exhaust acceleration while avoiding a back pressure that can damage forward engine components. And this is how a jet engine works. And that's the end of the video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. It's time for me to take off. Bye everyone.